Good morning, students. Today our topic is LDR, light dependent resistor. Okay. So first of all, we know about the resistor that is represented by R. So the resistance symbol is like this. Okay. But coming to another symbol, this is the resistor. By putting arrow mark on this resistor, it is called as the variable resistor. Okay, variable resistor. So variable resistor means the resistor is in the range of, for example, x to y. So we can choose any value from x to y. So as x, for example, 10 ohms, y, for example, 100 ohms. So from 10 ohms to 100 ohms, we can choose any value from this resistor. Okay, so that's why it is called as the variable resistor. So this is the fixed resistor. It is represented by only one value. Okay. So what is the relation between variable resistor and LDR means? LDR is based on the variable resistance property. Okay. So in this LDR, we can use variable resistor in the name of optical sensitive device. Okay. So LDR is also used as the optical sensitive device. Simply it is called as the light sensor also. Okay. So in this LDR, we are using mainly cadmium material to design the LDR. Coming to the construction, in this construction, the LDR is based on the cadmium material, and is cadmium material is connected between two metal film contacts. Means the cadmium material separates the total structure of the LDR. Okay, so the cadmium material is also represented by helical structure. Why we are using the helical structure? In small amount of place, we can construct large amount of length. For example, we can design straight line also, but only small amount of length will be constructed by using this straight line. But coming to helical structure, we can design maximum length of wire in this LDR. Okay, that's why we are using only helical structure. Okay, so the helical structure is designed by the cadmium material. Okay, so the total structure means cadmium material wire and two metal contacts are connected in a plastic case to protect from external sources. Okay, so the two metal contacts works as a two external terminals to connect to another device. Okay, na? So coming to the structure, coming to the characteristics, in this LDR mainly two concepts are introduced, that is the resistance, another one is the light, because LDR completely depends upon the light. So by using the light, automatically the LDR resistance will be changed. In this condition, the resistance of the LDR and light, these two are inversely proportional. For example, light is increases, automatically resistance will be decreased. For this property, we are using different types of applications, that is light and dark activated switches, alarms, light beam alarms. So in daily applications, we are using LDR in mainly automatic street lights. So automatic street light means in the daylight, the lights are automatically off. When the light converted to dark, means in the evening conditions, the lights are automatically on. So the automatically on and off conditions are based on the light and resistance of the LDR resistances. Okay, so the LDR main application is automatic street lights. Okay, thank you. So from this topic, our fourth unit will be completed. Okay, thank you. 3 minutes.